If you manage properties, you know the drill. The phone rings non-stop, voicemails stack up, tenants want answers yesterday, and your team's already drowning. Sure, you've tried contact forms and chatbots, but tenants still want to call, vent, and dump the whole issue on someone who'll sort it fast. We get it. I'm Adam Wallace, founder of Elevaite AI. We built VoiceAiro because the current way just isn't cutting it anymore. And no, this isn't just some glorified voice receptionist or outbound robocaller. This is a smart, fully trained AI agent that can coordinate multiple people, update your systems in real time, trigger emails and texts, and actually follow up, all without dropping the ball. It works 24/7, handles triage, gets landlord approval, books the tradie, confirms with the tenant, and it's all synced into your system automatically. Whether you use PropertyMe, PropertyTree, or any other PMS or CRM, you can simulate the full workflow live, start to finish, in just a few clicks. We've mapped out 4 core stages, but we'll tailor it to fit your process. Keep it simple or scale it up, your call. Now, I'll jump on my Mac and show you exactly how to run the demo.
Okay, so I see you've met my AI avatar. Hope you liked it. Now let's dive into this demo. So we'll put in mobile, and then optionally website. Great. Now you'll get a code on your phone, and you just need to enter that 6-digit code. And at this point, you're into the property management demo. The way that we've set this up is to be able to simulate a live record from your CRM. And you can change any of these details that you need. Let's say that you wanted to simulate this demo with 2 people, 3 people, it doesn't really matter, or just yourself. At that point, you can update your details, email, website. As you can see, these are optional. We'll give each person a name. So the landlord property manager will be, let's say, me. Then the tenant will be Rosie. And you can keep all your same details in there, and you can keep the same phone number in there. Or if you're simulating this demo with another person, then you can put their details, and then we'll come up with a tradesperson. So in this case, it's a plumbing tradesperson, but the same details. This allows you to see the emails that get sent after the call, and anything that is said on the call can be automatically injected into the CRM, PMS, email, SMS, whatever you need in terms of your workflow. We can also include multiple people and multiple workflow steps depending on your unique customizations. The first touch point is the tenant calling in with a problem. So what we'll do is click the start simulation, and then I will call that number.
Hey Rosie, this is Tess from Elevaite Property Management. How can I help?
I've got a blocked shower.
Got it. Is it just the shower, or are other drains like the sink or bathtub clogged too?
It's just the shower.
All right, how bad is it? Is the water draining slowly, or is it completely backed up?
Oh, it's pretty backed up. Like, we've tried to put Drano down it, but nothing seems to be working. So now it's inhibiting us having a shower, and I'm worried that the water might flow over and start causing some damage to the floor.
That sounds frustrating. How long has it been like this?
It's progressively got worse over the last week, but now it's at a point where we really need someone to come and get something done.
Got it. You'll flag this as urgent. Anything else you'd like me to note for the plumber?
No, that's all. I'd love to get a call back if I can to see how long it will be until you get here.
Of course, Rosie. I'll get this sorted and update you as soon as we got it scheduled. Hang tight.
Cool, thanks. Okay, great. So now that Tess has received my tenant report, we can now move on to the next stage. So I'm going to click this button to generate a call from Tess to me as the landlord.
This is Tess from Elevate Property Management. Rosie from 23 Brown CT. Balmoral is having a block shower that's completely backed up. Could I please get approval to get a plumber to help sort it out?
Did she say how bad it is?
Rosie's shower is completely backed up. It's not improving, and they're worried about water damage. Can I get the go-ahead to call a plumber?
Yeah, sure. Please get onto that ASAP.
Thanks, Adam. It should cost around $250 max for the plumber to sort it out. All good to proceed?
Yes, please.
Great. I'll get it scheduled and keep you posted via email once it's booked. Thanks, Adam.
In many cases, you probably wouldn't even be requesting landlord approval. So this could be the approval of one of the other team. Now we're going to schedule a repair. So that's going to be looking up in the database for the approved tradie or to come and solve the problem. We'll be calling the plumber, and I'll be the plumber on the receiving end of this call.
Tess from Elevaite Property Management. Is this David Plumbing?
Sure is.
Awesome. We've got a tenant, Rosie, at 23 Brown Street, Balmoral, with a block shower that's completely backed up. They've tried clearing it, but no luck, and they're worried about water damage. Is this something you can help with?
Yeah, of course. When do they want us there?
Great. Before we lock in a time, do you have an idea of the cost for this kind of job?
Our call out starts at about 150, and then once we get there, we can assess the damage.
Got it. When's the soonest you could head over?
Probably tomorrow morning between 10 to 12.
Perfect. I'll let the tenant and landlord know you'll be there tomorrow between 10 and 12. Thanks so much.
Okay, cool. Will you send me an email about this?
Yep, I'll send through all the details shortly. Anything else you need?
No, that's good. All right, cheers. Okay, great. So now we've got the plumber locked in. And so the last thing left to do is to schedule an update with the tenant.
Tess here again from Elevaite Property Management. How's it going?
Yeah, good. What's up?
Just a quick update for you. I've got a plumber from David Plumbing booked in to check out your block shower tomorrow at 10 a.m. Does that work for you?
Yeah, I should be able to make that. Okay.
Perfect. Anything else you've noticed around the place that needs looking at?
No, that's all for now, thanks. Just want to get this sorted as fast as I can.
Got it, Rosie. Hopefully this gets sorted quickly for you. If anything else comes up, just give us a shout. Take care.
Okay, cheers, bye. So there you have it. Now all of this workflow will be then synced to your system, the comms, the transcript, and any summaries, and also any enrichment that you might need extracted from the call that could be put into custom fields. It's an incredibly versatile agent, and our team will customize it to your exact needs. So if you'd like to jump on a call, discuss your requirements, take a drive through the demo, and then book a time that suits you. Finally, the entire flow has been mapped out. You can view the transcript of exactly what's gone on at each stage. And if need be, you can listen to a recording. So you can imagine that we can push this directly through to your PMS or CRM. So from here, you'll have the option to book a free consult with me directly, and we can talk through your specific property management needs. So I hope that was valuable, and we get a chance to talk to you soon. Cheers.